In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Payhip. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip account. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage how your store works behind the scenes, including your payment options. When you're inside the settings area, you'll notice several tabs along the top. These tabs organize different types of settings, so you don't have to dig around too much. For this process, you want to click on the tab labeled Payment Details. This is where Payhip lets you connect payment methods that your customers can use at checkout. On the Payment Details page, you should see PayPal listed near the top as one of the available payment options. To the right of PayPal, there will be a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is where you'll start linking your PayPal account. You'll be asked to enter the email address that you use for PayPal. Type in your PayPal email carefully, double-check it for any typos, and then click Continue. After clicking Continue, the system will take a moment to load. Be patient here. Sometimes it can take a few seconds. When it's ready, you should see a message saying that your Payhip account will be connected with your PayPal account. At this point, click the button that says Confirm PayPal Account. A new pop-up will open, taking you to the PayPal login screen. Wait for it to fully load, then enter your PayPal email or phone number, followed by your PayPal password, and click Log In. Sometimes PayPal might trigger a security check to make sure it's really you. If that happens, you'll be asked how you want to receive a verification code, for example by email, text message, or a messaging app. Choose the option that's most convenient, then wait for the code to arrive. Once you receive it, enter the code into the field provided in the pop-up and submit it. If there's no security check, or once you've passed it, the pop-up may show a message saying that Payhip wants permission to connect to your PayPal account. Review the message, then scroll down and click Allow at the bottom. After you confirm, your PayPal account will be successfully connected to Payhip, and you're ready to start accepting payments.